Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and the Tesla Model Y was finally introduced last night. I was watching the whole event and I just waited to see the specs and the configurations, and let's go through it. I think the numbers are absolutely amazing and affordable. So let's go right at it. They're going to have a 300-mile option. That's great. A 300 miles option, a rear wheel drive, 130 miles per hour, 5.5 seconds. Starting price 47,000, and it will have all the other options that like the Model 3 has, all the colors and the wheels and the interior, 5-seat or a 7-seater for 3,000 more, but that's going to be available at 2021. So that's going to be really a while from now. And it also has the white or the black option. Autopilot, the same, the 3,000 option and the 5,000 option for the full self-driving. And the payment, you have to put $2,500. So for the long range, the long range, the base model, I will call it, even though it's longer range than the others, expectation production is going to be next year, late next year. Okay, so that's the production of that. The long range dual motor, again, also production next year, 51,000 starting price. Now here you got 280 miles, 4.8 seconds. All the options are the same. And the performance, 280 miles faster, 3.5 seconds from 0 to 60 or from 0 to 100, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, and 150 miles top speed, also production late next year. So everything is coming up in late next year, as you can see, late next year. But what I'm going to do now is the base price is 47,000, and I want to really configure it give it like all the possible options. So let's take this option. Let's take the 19-wheel option. Let's take the 7-seater option. Let's take the autopilot and the full self-driving. So the base model now can go from 62,000. You see that? If you take all the options from 62, the dual motor will go to 66, and the performance will go to 73,500 if you have every option available. So as you see, actually there's another option I did not take, and let's do that. Sorry, let's take the white. Okay, it adds a little bit. So basically you get from 61,500 to 65,500 and to 74,500 if you take every available option. Okay, and like I said before, the down payment is $2,500, and production starts expected to begin late next year. So these are the initial numbers. My next video today or later today is going to be comparing the Model Y with a Model 3 to see if it's going to be worth to trade. Now, as far as the look, it's really a Model 3. It's exactly like the Model 3. The same fascia, the same side. It's of course taller, and it has a hatch, which is so incredibly important. But it's basically a Model 3, which is a great idea. It's a beautiful looking car. All right, more videos coming up. See you guys tomorrow.